welcome to my channel. I am about to install my burgundy wig. I'm so excited. Now I'm here trying to make sure it's a good fit, make sure it's snug, and I'm gonna make a mental note of where I need to put the glue.
What's your name? I see some ladies tonight, the shit be rolling with chasing. What's your name? I see some ladies tonight, the shit be rolling with chasing. Everybody's like, he's no.
So, you guys, now I'm about to just add my foundation to the wig cap because I bought the wig cap too yellow. It's way too yellow, so I need to add my foundation to it.
So he treats him like he treats him, better them than me. She don't agree with him, she's mad at that. He's not having that. So those opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than a Benz wagon, the friends tagging along, the flashy nigga bragging on the song. She gets a glimpse of Sean and she likes that. He two-ways her, so she writes back. Smiley faces after all of her phrases. Either she the one or I'm caught in the matrix. Well, fuck it, let the fish burn. Red or green pill, you live and you learn. Come on.
Now, you guys, I'm applying 2 layers of my Ghost Bond glue. I'm gonna make sure I thin it out. I'm gonna make sure I spread it out thinly and evenly. And this is the second layer right here. You want to make sure it dries clear before applying the lace onto it. Now it has dried clear, and I'm about to put my lipstick on and make sure I get that ultimate melt. And I'm gonna put in my BioSilk just to give my hair a nice, beautiful sheen.
What's your name? I see some ladies tonight, the shit be rolling with chasing. What's your name? I see some ladies tonight, the shit be rolling with chasing.
Now I'm going through my hair. It's my favorite flat iron, you guys. It's my flat iron by Fabulous. It's a titanium nano flat iron. I love this flat iron, you guys. Love it so much. And there I am drinking my kombucha. Love kombucha. But yes, I go through my hair. I'm gonna go through my hair and press everything out, and then I'm gonna get into the bangs.
So those opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than a Benz wagon, the friends tagging along, the flashy nigga bragging on the song. She gets a glimpse of Sean and she likes that. He two-ways her, so she writes back. Smiley faces after all of her phrases. Either she the one or I'm caught in the matrix. Well, fuck it, let the fish burn. Red or green pill, you live and you learn. Come on. You gotta throw in your 5 minutes for this one. You might gotta go get you some Scooby-Doos. Gotta throw in your Scooby-Doos. Hey. I got my gosh another 7 on right now. You gotta puff a J to this one. You can't roll a blunt up to this one, boy. So contagious, I can't take it. Help my baby, let's just.
Now that I got everything parted out, you guys, this is where you need to pay close attention. So I'm gonna grip my hair evenly. Okay, so I'm gonna grip it with one hand. I'm gonna turn it, turn again, stop. And you want to make sure your fingers align with the bridge of your nose. And now I'm a point clip. I'm a point cut, excuse me. You gotta point cut the ends off. Point cut the ends off so the ends are nice and light. You do not want Nicki Minaj bangs from 2008, so don't cut across, always point cut.
So those opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than a Benz wagon, the friends tagging along, the flashy nigga bragging on the song. She gets a glimpse of Sean and she likes that.
If you're anything like me and you don't like flat bangs, and you like voluminous bangs, something bangs with a little height, then use your round brush. The round brush will give you that height, give you that volume that you need.
You live and you learn. Come on. You gotta throw in your 5 minutes for this one. You might gotta go get you some Scooby-Doos. Gotta throw in your Scooby-Doos. Hey. I got lots of shorties tryna put to my place, but you ain't want me last, so just get up on my face. They all up in
my inbox, so I know they wanna tease. I know they want my downfall and they know you please. I got black, I got white.
So here's the finished look, you guys. I added some curls with my flat iron real quick off camera. I like hair with volume. I like a lot of volume. I like height to my hair. So I had to add some curls. It was just way too flat for me. I think I might add some layers in it later. And truth be told, you guys, I did not like this hair the day I installed it. I did not like it. I was like, this red, I'm not feeling it. But now it's day 3 and I'm loving it. It's growing on me slowly but surely. But anyways, thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys would like to see more of. And thank you for watching.
I got my gotcha 97 on right now. You gotta pump a J to this one. Can't roll a blunt up to this one. So contagious, I can't take it out my baby. Let's just make it see. What's your name? So I see some ladies tonight, this shit be rolling with Jason. Jason. What's your name? So I see some ladies tonight, this shit be rolling with Jason. Jason. Everybody's like, he's no item, please don't like him. He don't bite them, he one night some. Now she don't like him, she never met him. Ruby's trying to take advantage of him, he won't let him. He don't need him, so he treats him like he treats him. Better them than me, she don't agree with him. She's mad at that, he's not having that. So those opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than the Benz wagon, the friends tagging along. The flashy nigga bragging on the song. She gets a glimpse of Sean and she likes that. He two-ways her, so she writes back. Smiley faces after all of her phrases. Either she the one or I'm caught in the Matrix. Well, fuck it, let the bitch burn. Red or green pill, you live and you learn. Come on. You gotta throw in your 5 minutes for this one. You might gotta go get you some Scooby-Doo.
This is the final look, you guys. Thank you for watching. I added some layers. I added some layers and I curled it off camera just to give it that The layers really set it off. I don't like flat hair. I like bald, voluminous hair. And this is what it's giving. So thank you for watching so far. Like, comment, and subscribe. And just thank you guys for watching.